Hey friends, this week we're going to study the book called You Can Read, Pout, Pout, Fish. And sometimes on the back of the book it gives us a little bit of an idea of what the book might be about. So I'd like to read this part to you. It says, Pout, Pout, Fish is learning to read. With his teacher's help, he meets some letters, words, and books. Reading is fun. That is, until he meets a really big book, a really big word. So let's look at the cover. Notice what Pout Pout Fish is doing. He's got a book here. He's got some letters, a star. And I want us to think, what do you think that really big hard word might be? Let's open up and find out what's going on here. Mr. Fish was about to pout. He did not know how to read. He felt sad. Then he met his teacher. I will help you, said his teacher. Mr. Fish met letters. He liked them all. He liked 4 of them best. Do you notice which letters are his favorite? Say them as I point to them. Very good. And then I wonder what they spell. Before I try to sound it out, I noticed that SH is a digraph. And it says, shh. Go ahead and figure out what that word says. All right. Mr. Fish met words. He liked them all. He liked one of them best. What is his favorite word that you see? The word is book. Mr. Fish met books. He looked at pictures. He looked at letters. He looked at words. He began to read. He was happy, but then he got stuck. What does stuck mean here? Does it mean like you stuck a sticker on the wall, like sticky? What does it mean that he got stuck? Here it means that he couldn't figure something out. He wasn't quite sure what to do. He met a very big word. He tried, but he could not read it. Blub. He wanted to give up. Has this ever happened to you, I wonder? But he did not. He asked for help. Mr. Fish and his teacher looked at the word. They looked at the letters. They made sounds. They learned the word. Together. Then Mr. Fish turned the page. He kept on reading. I can read, said Mr. Fish. No pout about it. Have you ever heard something that sounds kind of like no pout about it? My mom used to say to me, no doubt about it. This sounds like that, but it's a little different. No pout about it. No doubt about it means that there's not a way to question it or say that it's wrong. But he says pout. Why do you think he says pout instead of doubt? I'm thinking of 2 reasons. The first reason is he's not pouting. He figured it out, so he's not going to pout about it. And the second reason is because our character is the Pout Pout Fish. So tomorrow we'll read a little bit more on this book. I'll see you then.